Hello, this is Anna from XEZ. This video is a short introduction of our company profile. Our company was established in 1988, mainly produced super precision bearings with P4 or P5 level, sometimes P2 level. You can see our building appearance from this picture, which occupied area 29,000 square meters. Currently, we have more than 340 staff. Among them, 40 for technical, 15 for sales, 26 for quality, and 215 for manufacturing. This page shows our organization chart, mainly divided into 4 departments: marketing, operating, products, and administration departments. Each one cooperated with each other to move forward. The third part is the sales performance for this near 3 years. We have a great increase from year 2020 to year 2021 because we have developed many new customers among that year. In our production, there are 3 main parts: angular contact ball bearings, deep groove ball bearings, and turbocharger ball bearings. We will have detailed instruction in my next videos. For certificates and patents, I have listed some main certificates here, for example, ISO 14001 and IATF certificates. Currently, we have totally 60 valid patents, including bearing material, structure, design, and manufacturing. Okay, today's video is almost finished. We will have more videos for our main products, application, and some further pictures in the coming weeks. Follow us for more details and contact me if you have any inquiries. See you next time. Bye.